Various competing claims exist as to who was responsible for the world's first traffic sign. A device installed in London in 1868 featured two semaphore arms that extended horizontally to signal stop and at a 45-degree angle to signal caution. In 1912, at Salt Lake City, Utah, a police officer named Lester Wire mounted a handmade wooden box with the colored red and green lights on a pole, with the wires attached to overhead trolley and light wires. Most prominently, the inventor, Garrett Morgan, has been given credit for having invented the traffic sign based on T-shaped design pattern in 1923 and later exported sold to General Electric. Despite Morgan's greatest visibility, the system installed in Cleveland on August 5, 1914 is widely regarded as the first electric traffic sign based on a design by James Hoge, who received U.S. patent 1,251,666 for his Municipal Traffic Control System in 1918. It consisted of 4 pairs of red and green lights that served as stop-go indicators, each mounted on a corner post wired to the manually operated switch or inside a control booth. The system was configured so that conflicting signals were impossible. According to an article in the Motorist published by the Cleveland Automobile Club in August 1914, this system is perhaps destined to revolutionize the handling of traffic in congested city streets and should be seriously considered by traffic committees for general adoption.